As I explained in the previous video, secondary market research is about research on your potential market. If you have not seen the previous video, I will put the link in the description and you can see the video by referring to that link. Hello everyone, this is Amin and I already worked as an exporting sales manager in Korea and I'm going to share my experiences with you all. Secondary market research is a type of research that compiled, categorized, and published by others. This includes reports and studies by marketing agencies, businesses, associations, or other businesses in your industry. For small businesses with limited budget, most research is usually secondary market research, as it can be obtained faster and more cost effectively than primary market research. Primary research usually costs more and takes longer than secondary market research. But today we want to talk about secondary market research, so we don't open the discussion about primary market research. Simply put, secondary market research is easily available on the internet by entering keywords and phrases according to the type of information you want. You can also access to secondary market research by reading articles, business magazine and industrial publication, or even by referring to industrial associations or business organizations. One thing you should know about secondary market research is to check the date until you understand that your information is up to date. For secondary market research, a study is very important. It is very important to set a goal in your market research. For example, if you need access to target market information, you need to collect various variables such as demographic, socioeconomic factors, target market demand, and so on. This information will be about your target market. In fact, the goal is find out the target market of your product through secondary market research. Sometimes when you do a secondary market research, data can be lost. There is a lot of data that will be very difficult to manage them later. Categorize the collected data is very important in market research. You have to divide it by geographic, then demographic, and usability, and so on. You must be sure about your secondary market research. Sometimes it happens the secondary market research is untrue or incorrect information. When you have a lot of data of secondary market research for evaluate, there is always error in these kind of data. You should check the reliability of the data. For example, if your data says the geographic population of the area is 1 lakh, you can be sure about this case by government reports. Alexa website has put the top 10 of secondary market research sites on its site, and I will put it in the description. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a good time.